Hello friends, in this video we intend to show you how to register for a prop funding traders account through the review related to prop firms on the TradingFinder site, and we will click on the Go to Website option, and the page related to logging into the trading account in the prop funding traders account will open for us. If you already have an account, you can log into your trading account by entering your login information. Otherwise, click on the Sign Up Now option and the page for opening an account will open for us. And after completing the account opening form, you click on the Sign Up option. Your account opening is successfully completed and the login page will open for us. In this section, you need to enter the login information and click on the Sign In option. And we enter the main dashboard page of the Prop Trading Funding Traders platform, which is displayed to us after registration and logging into the account. In future videos, we will examine more details about the Prop Funding Traders account together. Wishing you success and profitability.